Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how I get paid out using the Lightning Network for my Bitcoin mining so I'm not crushed by those fees. So what we want to do is find a pool that offers paying out through the Lightning Network. And for me, I'm using Braiins.com. I'll link this mining pool stats page down in the description if you'd like to check out these different pools for yourself. But I'm going to be going through Braiins.com. And then we also need a Lightning Network wallet address to send those payments to. I'm using the ZBD app. I have my Lightning wallet address through them. If you'd like to sign up with them, I'll post a link to their app down in the description so you can check that out. Launching the ZBD app on my phone, you'll get your Lightning wallet address right on the homepage after you sign up. So pretty simple to get that Lightning wallet address, but now what we need to do is set up our mining over on Braiins. And initially, what you're going to need to do is sign up for a Braiins account. It's really simple. All you have to do is enter in an email, the username you want for the account, and then create a password. Then just confirm your account with the email they sent you. At that point, you can log in to your account. And once you're logged into the dashboard of your Braiins account, you need to set up your workers. Pretty straightforward to do this. You just connect your workers here with this option. That'll give you the URL to point your miner to. And then for your worker, it's really simple. You just enter in your user ID. And if you'd like to name your worker, you put in a period, and then you can name your worker whatever you want. I'll show you what this looks like over in my mining dashboard. So I'm using an Avalon Nano 3, and in the configuration, I pointed the URL, of course, into the pool area. And then for the worker, like I said, you just enter in the username that you had created for your Braiins account. And then if you want, you can put a period and then name the worker whatever you'd like. And depending on what miner you have, your mining dashboard or how you set this up could be a little bit different, but just showing you what this looks like in my case. So now setting up payment through the Lightning Network, and this is what I really like about Braiins. It's so easy to set up getting payment through the Bitcoin Lightning Network. Just go to your payout area and click on where it says Bitcoin account. And then in the payout settings, we want to set up the frequency as well as the destination. Of course, the destination is going to be your Lightning wallet address that we had set up through the ZBD app earlier. And again, opening up the ZBD app on my phone, you can copy that down right from this area in the wallet tab right on the homepage there. So setting up your payout settings, if you did it on-chain, that would just be through a traditional Bitcoin wallet address, but we want to avoid having to pay those absorbent fees when getting transferred that Bitcoin. That's why we want to go through the Lightning option. So you set up your Lightning address. You can just copy and paste your Lightning address right here. And then for the threshold, I've set up 100 Satoshis, but you can set up this however you'd like. So that means they're not going to send this over to my Lightning wallet address until I've mined at least 0.000001 Bitcoin. Then you need to check this box that you understand that if you enter the wrong Lightning address, this will result in loss of the reward sent. So just make sure that you put in your Lightning address correctly, and then you can confirm to set this up. So in this instance, with the threshold that I have set up, once my account balance reaches 0.000001 Bitcoin, it will send this over to my Lightning wallet. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, going over how I use the Lightning Network to get payments through my Bitcoin mining. This is a great option to have whatever miner that you choose to use. And again, I'll link this page down in the description if you would like to use someone other than Braiins.com. I found that they're really straightforward with setting things up with the Lightning Network. That's why I chose them. But you can check out these different miners over at Mining Pool Stats. And again, I'll post a link if you would like to set things up through the ZBD app to get that Lightning Network wallet address down in the description. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.